Hello dear students, today I will discuss with you shortcut trick for solving the system of linear equation. So system of linear equation is any equation which is in the form of this form here. So such type of equations we call it as a linear equation. So let us begin with this example. So method for solving this is very simple. First we have to take a y coefficient is multiplied with here RHS element here. Okay, so left to right multiplication, then right to left multiplication. So two arrow marks I have taken it. So same direction we have to take it. So this will be our third multiplication. So this is our the fourth step here, 4 times here. Okay, so 4 arrow marks I have taken it. So solution for x is, so here we will observe that so y coefficient is multiplied with 4 here. So y coefficient is 1 into 4. First arrow mark multiplication minus, then so it is right to left here. I'm just tracing here. So this is our second step. So y coefficient is minus 1 into 14. Next, third step is this. So here I am tracing. So 3 arrow marks I have taken it. So x coefficient is 1 and the y coefficient is 1. Compulsory minus sign we have to take it. Then we have to take a multiplication from this one here, last step. So x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is minus 1 here. Then we will simplify this. 1 into 4 4, minus into minus plus, 14 ones are 14, divided by 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 1 1 here. So simplifying this, so x we get it as 4 plus 14 as a 18. 18 divided by 2, we are going to get a x solution, x equal to 9. In the similar way, so we have to find the value of a y. For that, take any one equation. I am taking a first equation, x plus y equal to 14. So substitute x value as a 9. So we get a 9 plus y equal to 14. So transporting 9 to a RHS, 14 minus 9 we get it. So this is a value for a y here. Therefore the solution is x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. So this is a shortcut trick for solving any system of a linear equation with the 2 unknowns here. So one more example we'll study it. So here the equation is 2x plus y equal to 6, 4x minus 2y equal to 4. The first step is y coefficient with a RHS element. So next, y coefficient with a RHS element, 2 arrow marks I have used it. So numerator solution it will be x equal to 1 4s are 4 minus 2 into 6, it is a minus 12 we are going to get it. So whole divided by third step is this. So 4 into 1 4 we are going to get it, compulsorily minus sign. So fourth step is this here, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So then we will simplify this. Numerator simplification 4, minus into minus plus 12, denominator simplification 4, minus into minus plus, so 8 we are going to get it. So numerator simplification is 12 plus 4, we are going to get a 16, divided by 8, so we are going to get a solution as x equal to 2 here. Then take any equation. So first equation I take it, 2x plus y equal to 6. Here the value of x we have to take it as a 2. 2 into 2 4 we get it. 4 plus y equal to 6. So solution for a y is 6 minus 4, we get it as a 2 here. Therefore the solution for a x is a 2 and solution for a y is a 2 here. Okay, so this is, dear students, shortcut trick for solving the system of 2 linear equation with the 2 unknowns. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.